Hello, this is Nitin Dahad here at EE Times. I'm at Embedded World 2020 in Nuremberg, Germany, and I'm with Philippe Serrault, Sales Manager of AVerMedia Technologies. Philippe, hello.
Hello, how are you?
Fine, thank you. So Philippe, we're here to learn a little bit about AVerMedia Technologies. Can you tell me a little bit about AVerMedia Technologies and what you do?
Sure, AVerMedia Technologies is a Taiwanese-based company. We have been in the business for 30 years, and basically what we do is we specialize in video and audio integration across multiple platforms. So we do product design, evaluation, and manufacturing, and we offer these services to companies who have like innovative AI projects and ideas, but who may lack the capacities or the skills to bring these projects to life in time and with the right quantities.
Can you tell me a little bit about what your highlights showing at Embedded World here in Nuremberg?
Sure. This year we not only show our latest hardware platform, but we also want to demonstrate our capacity to integrate with third-party software providers. So far, for example, we have finished the integration of software from NVIDIA, Iron, Alxon, and by integrating all these third-party software, we can provide total AI solutions for the need of our customers in the field of smart retail, smart traffic, or smart healthcare, or smart factory monitoring applications. And we are currently looking for like more partners to leverage their strengths and develop our presence on these vertical markets.
What vertical markets do you specialize in, and what kind of customers do you work with?
We are specializing in smart retail, smart factory, smart healthcare, and smart traffic markets. And basically, when customers usually want to implement AI in their application, this is because they want to reduce manpower and also increase the accuracy of inspection. But the problem is that all these solutions are kind of complex to implement because of the complex hardware and the complex software. So what we do at AVerMedia is that we bring together AI PC box with a customized carrier board of NVIDIA Jetson, and we bring all this together to deploy it cost effectively and easily without any configuration headache for the customers.
So Philippe, why do customers actually choose AVerMedia?
I would say that we not only provide the hardware platform, but we also have a wide range of frame grabbers to integrate all kinds of different video streams. And thanks to our experience, this is something unique on the market. So that would be a first reason. Second, I would say that thanks to our very long experience in video and audio integration, we can overcome all kinds of compatibility issues that often happen with this kind of complex applications. And last but not least, we are a preferred partner of NVIDIA, so that means we can provide quick support and effective support for any issue related to their platform, which is not the case of other system integrators who may have to go through forums to get answers and so on. We have direct connections with NVIDIA and it changes everything.
Philippe Serrault, thank you very much.
Now let me show you a smart factory application. This solution here shows the integration compatibility of AVerMedia AI box with MVTech Alcon software and Basler USB camera. Basically, MVTech Alcon software package and Basler cameras have been integrated into NVIDIA Jetson platform here. And with the highest computing power and low power consumption of NVIDIA Jetson Xavier, this AVerMedia AI box PC, the AA713, can improve 30 to 50% overall inspection performance. And that really helps customers to fix the problems of lacking manpower and reduce their training cost with this kind of application. Now comes a smart traffic application. So here you have an Iron AI NVR, which provides a simple, intuitive user interface with video analytics capability for fast, efficient detection, recognition, and search of video objects in multiple video streams or storage devices. And the good point is that with the NVIDIA Jetson TX2 and Iron deep learning solutions, we can achieve around 98% accuracy for certain tasks, including vehicle detection and recognition. And from these solutions, it's definitely easier to achieve vehicle search, counting, and detection from existing video surveillance systems for smart city applications. So now you have a smart retail application. So typically for smart retail, a customer expects to get useful business data with minimum cost and effort. This solution you see here uses an AVerMedia AI box PC, the EN7113, with NVIDIA Jetson Nano module, and it's packaged with Astro NVR software for human detection and counting application. And the good point is that with on-viv compliance and PoE function, this AI box PC can be quickly deployed in an existing IP surveillance system thanks to the on-viv protocol compatibility. Finally, here comes a remote monitoring application. So as you know, in AI IoT world, usually the purpose of deploying devices with AI capabilities is not only to replace manpower, but to enhance the operation efficiency in the field. So consequently, the most important task is when distributing these devices to ensure that they can all perform properly in any circumstances. So with Alxon's device management solution, which is integrated with AVerMedia solution, all AVerMedia's devices can be remotely controlled and monitored in one portal from the cloud. So from the beginning of provisioning to devices monitoring, to devices controlling, troubleshooting, software updating, to project retirement, Alxon solution can really support the partner's business in the whole project lifestyle.